Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our podcast, Real English Conversation.
Hi, guys. We're so happy you are here with us today.
Today's topic is very useful. We will talk about daily decisions.
Yes, every day we make small decisions like, what should I eat? What time should I wake up? Should I study now or later?
Exactly. These are simple but important decisions.
And today we will help you speak about them in English.
Don't forget, if you like this podcast, please like, share, and subscribe.
Okay, let's start learning.
Part 1. Simple daily decisions. Let's start with a very common question. What should I eat?
Yes, this is a daily decision.
Repeat after me. What should I eat?
Good. Again, what should I eat?
Now listen to this example. I don't know what to eat.
Simple and useful.
Now you say it. Great job. Part 2. Talking about choices.
Sometimes we have two choices.
Yes, like, should I eat rice or bread?
Repeat. Should I eat rice or bread?
Another example. Should I go out or stay home?
Listen again. Should I go out or stay home?
Now you try.
Nice. You're improving already.
Part 3. Giving simple answers. Now let's answer these questions.
You can say, I think I will eat rice.
Repeat. I think I will eat rice.
Another example. I will stay home today.
Simple, clear, and natural. Part 4. Talking about morning decisions.
Morning decisions are very common.
Yes, like, what time should I wake up?
Repeat. What time should I wake up?
Example answer. I will wake up at 7 a.m.
Another one. I will wake up early today.
Good job if you repeated that. Part 5. Talking about study decisions.
Now let's talk about studying.
Very important decision.
Yes. Should I study now or later?
Repeat. Should I study now or later?
Answer. I will study now.
Or I will study later.
Both are correct.
Part 6. Talking about food habits. Let's talk about food habits.
Example. My quick breakfast is a banana.
Repeat. My quick breakfast is a banana. Another example. I will drink tea in the morning. Very natural sentence. Part 7. Making simple plans.
Now let's talk about plans.
You can say, I will go to the market.
Or, I will call my friend.
Repeat both sentences.
Good job.
Part 8. Talking about feelings. Sometimes decisions depend on feelings.
Yes, like, I feel tired, so I will rest.
Repeat. I feel tired, so I will rest.
Another one. I feel hungry, so I will eat.
Simple and powerful sentence. Part 11. Talking about evening decisions.
Yes, in the evening, we also make many small decisions.
Now let's talk about evening decisions.
Yes, in the evening, we also make many small decisions.
For example, what should I do in the evening?
Repeat. What should I do in the evening?
Example answer. I will watch TV.
Another answer. I will go for a walk.
Now you say it.
Very nice. You are speaking clearly. Part 12. Choosing activities. Sometimes we choose between activities.
Like this. Should I watch TV or read a book?
Repeat. Should I watch TV or read a book?
Answer. I think I will read a book.
Or, I will watch TV today.
Both are good sentences.
Part 13. Talking about work decisions.
Now let's talk about work.
Example. Should I finish my work now?
Repeat. Should I finish my work now?
Answer. Yes, I will finish my work now.
Or, I will do it later.
Simple and useful. Part 14. Asking for suggestions. Sometimes we ask other people.
Yes, we say, what should I do?
Repeat. What should I do?
Example. I am tired. What should I do?
Answer. You should take rest.
Listen again. You should take rest.
Now you try.
Good job.
Part 15. Talking about shopping decisions.
Now let's talk about shopping.
Example, should I buy this shirt?
Repeat, should I buy this shirt?
Answer, yes, it looks good.
Or, no, it is expensive.
Very common sentences. Part 16, talking about money decisions. Money decisions are important.
Example, should I save money or spend it?
Repeat, should I save money or spend it?
Answer, I will save money.
Another answer, I will spend a little.
Good thinking.
Part 17, talking about time decisions.
Now let's talk about time.
Example, should I go now or later?
Repeat, should I go now or later?
Answer, I will go now.
Or, I will go later.
Easy and useful. Part 18, talking about health decisions. Health is very important.
Example, should I eat healthy food?
Repeat, should I eat healthy food?
Answer, yes, I will eat healthy food.
Another example, I will drink more water.
Good habit.
Part 19, real-life dialogue practice. Now listen to a conversation.
Hey, what should we do tonight?
I think we can watch a movie.
Good idea. Should we go out or stay home?
Let's stay home.
Okay, that sounds nice.
Now listen again.
What should we do tonight?
I think we can watch a movie.
Should we go out or stay home?
Let's stay home. Now you speak.
Great work.
Part 20, talking about weekend plans.
Now let's talk about weekend decisions.
Example, what should I do this weekend?
Repeat, what should I do this weekend?
Answer, I will visit my friend.
Or, I will relax at home.
Both are good plans. Part 21, talking about travel decisions. Travel decisions are fun.
Example, should I go by bus or train?
Repeat, should I go by bus or train?
Answer, I will go by train.
Or, I will take the bus.
Very natural.
Part 22, talking about weather decisions.
Weather also affects decisions.
Example, it is raining. Should I go out?
Repeat, it is raining. Should I go out?
Answer, now I will stay home.
Or, yes, I will go out.
Good. Part 23, talking about food preferences. Let's talk about food again.
Example, should I eat spicy food?
Repeat, should I eat spicy food?
Yes, I like spicy food.
Or, no, I prefer simple food.
Nice sentence. Part 24, making quick decisions. Sometimes we decide quickly.
Example, okay, I will do it now.
Repeat, I will do it now.
Another, let's go now.
Short and strong sentence.
Part 26, talking about daily habits. Daily habits are also decisions.
Example, I will drink water every day.
Repeat, I will drink water every day.
Another, I will study English daily.
Very good habit. Part 26, real-life dialogue practice. Let's practice again.
Should I study now?
Yes, you should study now.
Okay, I will study now.
Good decision. Listen again.
Should I study now?
Yes, you should study now.
Okay, I will study now.
Now you speak.
Excellent.
Part 27. Talking about night decisions. Now let's talk about night decisions.
At night, we think about rest and sleep.
Example. Should I sleep now or stay awake?
Repeat. Should I sleep now or stay awake?
Answer. I will sleep now.
Or I will stay awake for some time.
Good. Part 28. Talking about phone use.
Many people use phones at night.
Example. Should I use my phone now?
Repeat. Should I use my phone now?
Answer. No, I will sleep.
Or I will use my phone for 10 minutes.
Simple and real. Part 29. Talking about next day plans. At night, we also plan for tomorrow.
Example. What should I do tomorrow?
Repeat. What should I do tomorrow?
Answer. I will study tomorrow.
Or, I will go to work.
Good sentences.
Part 30. Talking about alarm decisions.
Let's talk about alarms.
Example. Should I set an alarm?
Repeat. Should I set an alarm?
Answer. Yes, I will set an alarm.
Or no, I will wake up naturally.
Nice. Part 31. Talking about sleep time. Sleep time is important.
Example. What time should I sleep?
Repeat. What time should I sleep?
Answer. I will sleep at 10 p.m.
Or, I will sleep early.
Good habit.
Part 32. Talking about energy level.
Sometimes we feel tired.
Example. I feel very tired. What should I do?
Answer. You should sleep early.
Repeat. You should sleep early.
Another. You should take rest.
Very helpful. Part 33. Real life dialogue practice.
Listen to this conversation.
I feel tired. What should I do?
You should sleep early.
Okay, I will sleep now.
Good decision. Listen again.
I feel tired. What should I do?
You should sleep early.
Okay, I will sleep now.
Now you try.
Nice speaking. Part 41. Talking about tomorrow preparation. We prepare for tomorrow.
Example. Should I prepare my clothes?
Repeat. Should I prepare my clothes?
Yes, I will prepare now.
Good habit. Part 42. Talking about small decisions.
Small decisions are everywhere.
Example. Should I drink water now?
Repeat. Should I drink water now?
Yes, I will drink water.
Very simple.
Part 43. Talking about bedtime routine. Bedtime routine is important.
I will brush my teeth.
Repeat. I will brush my teeth.
Another. I will go to bed.
Good routine. Part 44. Talking about screen time.
Screen time is common.
Example. Should I watch videos now?
Repeat. Should I watch videos now?
No, I will sleep.
Good control.
Part 45. Talking about feelings at night. Feelings matter at night.
Example. I feel calm.
Repeat. I feel calm.
Another. I feel sleepy.
Very natural. Part 36. Real life dialogue practice.
Listen carefully.
Should I sleep now?
Yes, you should sleep now.
Okay, good night.
Good night. Listen again.
Should I sleep now?
Yes, you should sleep now.
Okay, good night.
Now you try.
Excellent. Wrap up.
Today we learned many night decision sentences.
Let's review. Should I sleep now?
What should I eat for dinner?
I will sleep early.
You should take rest.
I feel tired.
Practice these sentences daily.
Speak slowly and clearly.
You are doing very well.
Keep learning and keep speaking.
Now tell us in the comments, what do you do before sleeping?
We want to know your routine.
See you next time.
Bye.